This is part 2 of the engine build. Well, kind of part 2. You see, while filming this build, my GoPro camera decided to die on me, and I was kind of unaware of this. So all the footage that I thought I was getting is no longer. So I have included some of the still shots that I took on my phone while putting them together. After we got it completed, we did take it down and get dyno tested, and it came back with some pretty solid results. It was 452 horsepower at 5,500 RPMs, and 473 torque at 4,800 RPMs, using a Performer RPM intake and a 600 CFM carb. After testing, we brought it back and placed it in the 65 frame that was already sandblasted, etching primer done to it, and then painted gloss black over top of that. After putting the motor into the frame, we quickly learned that the drive shaft that came with the truck was about 1.5 inches to 2 inches too long. So we ended up bringing the motor mounts forward by 2 inches and notching the frame so the headers would clear. We plan on using an electric fan to keep the radiator cool, and it's only about 3 inches deep at best, still leaving plenty of room even after the engine is moved forward. The headers I put on came off of Craigslist. I got them for about $10. They're cheap and cheesy. You can get them all day long online for under $100. The previous owner had it on his 65, and he decided to go long tube, so I knew they would work on my build. Because I'm using a straight plug aluminum head, I came into some fitment issues while running these headers. It was just really close to... The spark plugs are really close to the header itself, so I ended up just putting a little ding in the header and then running all my spark plugs under the header inside a heat shield. Don't know how long it will last, but it survived the dyno.